Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and staying safe at home. In previous lecture, we have completed the introduction about the lines and angles. In that, we have learnt pair of angles and how to find the value of variable. Now, we will start the exercise number 9.1, and in this exercise, we will do the questions based upon the lines and angles. So, let's start exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Name the complementary and supplementary pair of angles. In this diagram, we have to tell pair of complementary angles. Complementary angles means pair of complementary angles means the two angles which make complementary or 90-degree angle. So in this only one pair is this. This is 90-degree angle, and with the help of this and this, with two angles, this angle is formed. So complementary angles pair will be angle DOC and angle COB. DOC and COB. So this is the pair of complementary angles. Then pair of supplementary angles. In this, the two angles which form supplementary angle. So angle DOC and COA. This angle and this angle will make this 90 plus 90, 180, and this is straight angle also. So this straight angle is formed by DOC and COA. First pair is angle DOC and angle COA. Second pair is DOB and BOA. Angle DOB and angle BOA. And third pair is angle DOE and EOA. Angle DOE and angle EOA. So this is all about the pair of complementary angles. This angle is formed by two angles, so angles of these two angles are complementary angles, and this angle plus this angle, this angle plus this angle, and this angle plus this angle, they all are making 180 degree angle. So these are the pairs of supplementary angles. So understood? Now question number 2. Find the complement of each of the angles. This I have explained in the examples. Question number 2. Complement of each of the angles. So I will solve 3 questions in this. Question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. Question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. So question number 3 is complement of, question number 3 is 150 degree. So complement of this angle 150 plus its complement. Question number 3 is 81, sorry. Complement 81. 81 plus its complement will make the 90 degree. So x equals to 90 minus this 81 will go take to that side. So its sign will change. 81 equals to 90. So answer is 90. 9 degree is the complement of 81. Second is 15 degree. So 15 plus x equals to 90, x equals to 90 minus 15 equals to 75 degrees. So this is the answer. Now third part is third, this is fourth and this is fifth. Fifth part is 90 degree. Complement of 90 degrees, 90 plus x equals to 90 degree, x equals to 90 minus 90 equals to 0. So 0 degree is the answer. So like this we will find the complement of the given angle. Understood? Now question number third. Third question, find the supplement of each angle. Question number 3, supplement of each angle. In this also in this we will do fourth, fifth, third, fourth and fifth. So third part, just like complement we will find the supplement also. So third part is 150 degree. So 150 degree plus its supplement is equals to 180 degree. Two angles should form 180 degree. So x will be 180 minus 150. X equals to 30 degree. Fourth part is 0 degree. So 0 plus x equals to 180 degree, x equals to 180 minus 0 equals to 180. So 180 is the supplement of itself. The supplement of 180, 0 is 180. Next is fifth. Fifth part is, so this is fifth part. Now fourth part is 40 degree. So 40 plus x equals to 180, x equals to 180 minus 40 equals to 140 degree. So like this we will solve supplement of any given angle. Next, question number 4. Identify the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. In this question we will add the both the angles and then we will find if the sum is 90 degree, it means this is a pair of complementary angle, and if the sum is 180 degree, it means they are the pair of supplementary. So this question you do yourself. Question number 4. The parts which you have to do are fourth, fifth and sixth. One part I am doing for you, sixth part I am doing 91 plus 89 equals to 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 9 17 plus 1 18. So 180. So answer is the pair of supplementary. Understood? Like this you will do both of these questions also. Now, question number 5. Question number 5. In this we will solve, we will draw the diagram first. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4 and 5. In this we have to tell vertically opposite angles pairs and linear pairs. So vertically opposite, it is clearly seems that by the if two angles, opposite angles formed by intersecting two lines or by forming the cross, if two angles are formed, then they are supplementary angles. This also can be, but because in pair only two angles should be there, but here 2 and 1, 3 angles are there, so it cannot be a pair. So vertically opposite angles are angle 2 and angle 5, angle 2 and 5. Next is linear pair. Linear pair, two angles form the 180 degree. So angle 1 and angle 5 are the linear pairs. Understood? And angle 1 and 2. This is also a straight line, and angle 1 and angle 2. So two pairs are linear pairs and one pair is vertically opposite angles. Understood? Next, look at the given figure and give the answers of this question number 1. Angle 1 is adjacent to 3. Angle 1 and 3. No, they are not adjacent because one angle is in between them. Second is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOD. AOC and AOD. Yes, they are adjacent because AO is the common arm and O is the center common vertex, and OD and OC are the opposite sides, are the uncommon arms which are opposite to AO. Next, third, do angle AOE and angle EOB form a linear pair? AOE and EOB. EOB, yes, they are forming the linear pair. Next, fourth, are BOD and DOE supplementary? BOD and DOE. No, they are not forming supplementary angle because they are not forming a straight line. Now, is angle 5 vertically opposite to angle 3? Yes, because they both are forming by the intersecting two lines and they are opposite to each other. Next, angle 6. Which angle is vertically opposite to angle 4? Angle 4 vertically opposite to angle 4 is angle AOC. Angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle 4. So, like this you will do this question, you will do in the book only. Question number 6 you will do in the book. Question number 6 you will do in the book. You have to write yes or no.